The Apple Watch 2 Ultra is a modest update over the original, but a brighter display, support for the double tap gestures, and future-proof processor are welcome improvements. While we still crave a longer battery life, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 is one of the best smartwatches you can get now. Most of what you know about the Apple Watch Ultra can be said for the Apple Watch Ultra 2. It's still Apple's biggest and longest lasting smartwatch targeting outdoor sports enthusiasts with a rugged design and more advanced GPS technology than the flagship Apple Watch Series 9. That's to say, there aren't very many upgrades between the Apple Watch Ultra and Apple Watch Ultra 2, and certainly not enough to make someone who has the original switch to the new one. Despite the Ultra's brighter display, new complication-packed watch face, and the introduction of a performance-boosting chip, it doesn't deliver the quintessential smartwatch experience. Instead, the second generation Apple Watch Ultra exists to target holdouts, but it's not like that's a bad thing. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 has plenty to offer for those sporty iOS users with $799 to spend. In addition to the processor's enhancements, it gets a smarter ultra-wideband chip and proudly transitions from virgin titanium to a 95% recycled titanium frame. Like the Apple Watch Series 9, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 is among Apple's debut offerings of carbon-neutral certified devices too. How can you know if the Apple Watch Ultra 2 is the best smartwatch for you? Watch my full Apple Watch Ultra 2 review to find out. Performance-wise, the Apple Watch Series 9 versus Apple Watch Ultra 2 have a lot in common. It packs the S9 processor, which promises the first true power upgrade since the Apple Watch Series 6. Apple claims it's 25% more efficient, built on 5.6 billion transistors with 30% faster GPU animations and 4-core neural engines that enable machine learning twice as fast. Not only does the processor make a 3000 nit display possible without sacrificing battery life, it also improves the Siri experience. Siri computing now takes place all on device, resulting in faster responses as well as some offline functionality. Say you don't have cellular enabled on your smartwatch but want to leave your phone at home for a run. On the first Apple Watch Ultra, you couldn't use Siri to launch the run workout with your voice. With the Apple Watch Ultra 2, now you can. Last perk of the new processor, the algorithm that powers the double tap gesture. I talk about double tap more in my Apple Watch Series 9 review, but the experience should be similar on the Apple Watch Ultra 2 when the feature rolls out in October. So if you were hanging off a cliff, you could theoretically answer calls and open apps by tapping your index finger and thumb of your watch hand together. Users can conveniently double tap to scroll through the smart stack, control music playback, use the camera remote app, and more too. And if you have misplaced your phone, the upgraded ultra-wideband chip in the Apple Watch Ultra 2 can give you directions to its location. I use the ping feature to find my iPhone on a daily basis, so the visual cues are absolutely useful. Unfortunately, this only works for those with an iPhone 15. While the battery life still doesn't keep up with the sportiest watches on the market, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 makes enough incremental upgrades to keep justifying the $799 price. The future-proofing enabled by the new S9 chip, added convenience of the double tap gesture, and extra brightness make for a strong, even if iterative second-generation attempt. I don't think the switch to recycled titanium should be understood either. That said, I wouldn't be convinced as an Apple Watch Ultra user to change for the new version, but the Apple Watch Ultra 2 is a welcome pickup for a first-time Ultra owner. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.